Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Indian Army Chief General M.M. Narwane today said India and Nepal share a strong relationship and that New Delhi and Kathmandu have strong linkages culturally, historically, geographically and even religiously. He even added that in the coming future also both sides will share a strong relationship.
We have a very strong relationship with Nepal, which we have geographical linkages, historical linkages, cultural linkages, religious linkages. We have a very strong people-to-people connect, and our relation with them has always been strong and will remain strong in the future.
Now this comes at a time when Nepal is moving at a blistering pace in order to amend its constitution and adopt the new controversial political map that shows the disputed regions between India and Nepal, which is the regions of Kalapani, Lipu Lake and Limbadhara as part of its territory. India has said it will not accept the new map and that these are artificial enlargement that Nepal has done of its territory. Now remember, last month General Narwane had said in a webinar that Nepal is doing all this at the behest of someone else, in a clear indication towards China. This had created a huge uproar in Nepal, and Nepal Defence Minister Ishwar Pokhrel had stated at that time that this is an insulting statement and has hurt Gorkha sentiments. However, last week, Nepal Defence Minister had said that Nepal is willing to have the dialogue with India in an amicable manner and settle the matter diplomatically. However, India has said that it will not be in a position to discuss the matter with Nepal at a time when there is political upheaval even in Nepal. Now remember, Prime Minister Oli of Nepal is facing a lot of intra-party problems within his own country. There is a rising clamor within his own party for his resignation. He is also facing a lot of criticism in the way he's handling the coronavirus pandemic there. However, he now has made adopting the new map as his topmost priority. New Delhi has stated that it is willing to have a dialogue with Nepal once the coronavirus pandemic subsides. But Nepal has said that if India can hold a virtual summit with the Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison that happened earlier this month, then why it cannot discuss with Nepal the unsettled matter of border. Now remember, Nepal's parliament, the lower house of Nepal's parliament will soon be passing the vote to amend the constitution. It will now be taken up at the upper house, which is the National Assembly of Nepal Parliament, in a week's time from now. For The Print, this is Nayanima Basu.